Good evening, my dear friends. This is Tomal. Once again, welcome to PRCUMP. In this session, today we are going to discuss regarding rotate text down in Excel. I've written something over here. This is a computer class. Okay, this much I have written. So now I am the cell, the content extend up to 3 column. I am clicking on margin center, which means that I want to make it the content of a particular single cell. Okay. Now I am in the home tab. Okay, so today's point of discussion is rotate text down. Now for that, let me increase the row height here, otherwise you will not be able to understand the whole thing. 190. Okay, now see, this is the thing, it's 190. Now in the home tab, let me click on this particular orientation and rotate text down. See, all the things get, means it's literally uh, aligned from top to down, and the from up to down, its starting point is up and low point is down. It means the last one is down. So this is all about the your rotate text down. So this is Kamaldas representing PRCMP. Official website is prccmp.org.in. Email is astoma6@gmail.com. Call is 8420879158. Thank you for being with us and stay for more updates. And we used to provide basic computer courses and maintenance type of job, banner designing, banner flex posters and selling rifles. Thank you.